Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and thank you guys for stopping by if you guys are new. Today we're going to be cooking and cleaning in the kitchen, and I promise you guys this is the easiest thing if you guys are busy moms like I am. Today's video is sponsored by Home Chef, and what I'm going to be showing you guys today is literally a no prep, no mess kind of thing. So if you're interested, just keep watching.
In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola.
Home Chef has a new line of meal kits called Fresh and Easy, and they designed these specifically for busy weeknights, and that is right up my alley. They're easy, there's no cleanup involved, they're fresh and super quick. Tonight's meal is going to be an oven-ready meal, and it's part of their Fresh and Easy line. I chose the cranberry glazed chicken, but I actually customized this order a little bit online. You can definitely customize just about any meal on their website, and I will show you guys that in a second. So as I'm unboxing this, I noticed that nothing was damaged or leaking. It was really well packaged. There was a bunch of ice packs in there. We got this delivered while we were at work, so I don't know how long it was on my porch, but all of the food was super fresh and really cold.
On my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you.
The website here on homechef.com is super easy to navigate, and I love all of the options that they give you. You can change the amount of servings that you'd like to have on each meal, and you can also switch out your protein, and it gives you a list of options to choose from, which is great for anybody with any special dietary needs. Alright, so like I said earlier, I chose the oven-ready meals, and as you can see, it literally comes with a pan to cook it in. So right now I'm just taking out all of the ingredients and kind of setting everything out so I can see it. I have 2 meals because I chose the one for 4 people, but if you get the 2-person meal, you'll just get 1 pan.
I know that we just met the other night, but I can't get you off my mind. Not a smooth talker.
I did customize my order to pork chops instead of chicken just to switch things up.
Feel so special, pretty up from the minute that I met you.
So I'm going to give y'all a midway review on these oven ready meals. So far I don't have anything to clean up. That took me 10 minutes to prepare, and that was because I was filming, and if I wasn't filming it probably would have taken me like 5 minutes to prepare, which is crazy because that's a full meal for your family, not frozen. Everything came pre-measured out. The pan even came with it, so you didn't have to pull out any of your dishes. The only dish you're gonna have to pull out is the plate to eat on, girl. Add all of the ingredients in the pan and put it in the oven. I'm excited to see what it tastes like, but first I'm gonna show you guys my mess. I'm gonna clean up a little bit, check the food, and that'll be it. Don't forget If you guys want to try Home Chef, everything will be down in the description. You guys are going to get a huge discount using my code right here. Just the bomb. So this is what I mean by mess. I have nothing to clean up besides my colander because I chose to wash my green beans, and my measuring spoon and those pair of tongs. That's it. Everything else I still need for when the chicken is done, and I just probably need to put my olive oil away, but girl, there's nothing. If I would have made this from scratch, I would have had a hot mess kitchen. Since I was handling raw meat in my kitchen, I definitely am going to use some bleach on my countertops. I know I can use my vinegar mix, but girl, sometimes I just need some bleach. So everything looks so good. I am so excited to try this. I have one more step to do to chop off the pork chops, but I did make sure that I checked the internal temperature to 145, making sure that thing was done, because girl, I don't play when it comes to pork. I'm just going to spread on this goat cheese, and then I'm going to top it with their fresh cranberry sauce, which, you guys, that cranberry sauce had chunks of cranberries in it, which made everything taste so much better. If you guys want to try these fresh and easy meals, click on the link in the description box to use my code Candice80 to get $20 off of your first 4 orders. My entire family loved it. It was so good, and we'll definitely be doing it again. So don't forget to take advantage of that coupon code. It'll be in the description. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.